Kasi kung gaano kalaki yung tiwala mo sa Diyos na meron ka, kailangan ganun din kalaki ang tiwala mo. Ay, hindi naman same. Kasi syempre si Lord yun. O mamaya, may playing God, ganun. Hey everybody, welcome to Random Conversations with Daisy. Wow. Pero ito very random lang, very raw. Ano yun? Hindi naman, ano lang. Parang, ano ba to? Random conversations lang during the night. And I wanna talk about, letting go. Huy! Of course, letting go in so many, letting go naman can be attributed to many aspects in our lives, like letting go of your friend, letting go of a career you thought that you love, letting go of family ties, or letting go of emotions na you don't want to feel anymore, letting go of partners, letting go of connections, perhaps mga ganyang bagay. Ito, I've been writing about this one last year. Sinusulat ko siya, pinopost ko siya sa, sa accounts ko. Kasi, I believe, parang the last quarter of last year, yan yung season ko. When I say season, ibig sabihin, ramdam ko, yun yung tinuturo ng Diyos sa akin. Tsaka. So, bakit ko nasabi? Kasi, if I may share, quarter 4 of last year, 2023, it was very hard for me. There were a lot of things na I had to let go of. One of which was the passing of the love of my life, my tatay, my grandpa. And there were also connections na I had to let go of, even if I don't want to let go of it. And na-realize ko during that time ba na, ako kasi personally, like, aminin nyo, baka ganito din kasi kayo na pinagdadasal niya na, Lord, ikaw na bahala. Pero, alam mo kasi, ramdam mo na kaya na mga 10 to 20% ng sitwasyon, kaya mo pang i-control. So, parang basically sinasabi mo, Lord, ikaw na bahala sa 80%, kaya ko pa i-handle yung 20%. Nung nangyari kasi yung last year, wala. Ning 5% me. Ning 5%. Wala akong kayang i-control. And it was the first time na I felt like, oh shucks, I'm not in control. I can't do anything with the situation. And that's where I got frustrated. That's where I got na parang, ano ba to? Hindi ako sanay. Kasi I'm a very, alam mo yun, very goal-oriented person. Yung pag gusto ko yung isang bagay, gusto ko talaga. Gagawin ko talaga lahat ng makakaya ko para dyan. And in that time, yung parang I was forced to let go of a connection. I was forced to let go of tatay. Wala akong magawa. Ni katiting na 1%, wala. And during that time, it was very hard for me. But there's one thing that ang dami ko na-realize, pero one of which is that if you're not fully learning how to surrender, a moment in your life will really teach you how. Kasi akala mo, ako personally, akala ko alam ko how to let go. Lagi kong sinasabi, oh, let go and let God. Pero iba pala talaga kapag, alam mo yun, 0%, wala kang makokontrol. And that's when I learned how to fully surrender. Na pag sinabi mo fully surrender, yung, wala, iaalay mo talaga siya sa Diyos. Ibibigay mo siya sa Diyos. Corny pakinggan, pero it's really true. That's what happened to me last year. There was this connection na I had to let go of. Labag sa loob ko. Labag sa loob ko yun. Pero, to be fair, I had a lot of questions sa Panginoon na time. I had a lot of parang doubts and questions, and hindi ko gets why it has to happen. Pero alam yan, may mga bagay talaga na, wala, it really has to happen because there's a lesson that you need to learn, and until you learn that lesson, you're not gonna pass through that situation. So you have to learn the lesson para makagraduate ka na ng situation. And I felt like I was in that situation last year. So, matagal. It took time for me to really let go of it. But, here's the catch. Oo, matagal. Oo, masakit. Oo, hindi mo maintindihan. Sasaktan ka, iiyak ka. Minsan, magagalit ka pa, tatanungin mo pa why it has to happen. Pero believe me when I say, time will come. Mabibigla ka na lang rin. Okay na pala. And I'm not saying this one, ha, na parang okay na parang in one snap of a finger, okay ka na. No, it's increments of moments where you realize na, teka lang, parang okay na. And it all started when you try to accept it ba in your heart na, hindi ko man gets why this is happening right now, but I'm gonna trust the universe. I'm gonna trust God or whoever supreme being that you believe in. Na all of this has a purpose. Hindi ko man siya makita ngayon, but I'm gonna fully surrender, knowing na hindi naman ako papabayaan. Na the universe isn't that harsh to me. Sabi yun, hindi naman siguro ganun ka-harsh yung Diyos sa akin na talagang hindi ibigay sa akin kung ano yung deserve ko. Mahirap, oo, matagal, months, for some years, pero it takes really your own effort as well to really try to ibangon mo sarili mo. Letting go is really hard. Mahirap mag-let go. Sometimes, the best way to love is to let go. It could go in many different ways. Pwede kasi siyang the best way to love someone is to let them go. But, let's try to twitch pa yung term, or switch that one a little bit. Sometimes, to love yourself. Sometimes, to love yourself more. To show and prove to yourself that you love yourself. You need to learn to let go. You need to learn to let go of things. You need to let go of emotions. You need to let go of connections na right now, it's not really serving you anymore. And as much as you want that connection to stay, if the universe is telling you, if certain situations are already, alam niyo yun, parang yung sitwasyon na mismo yung gumagawa na paraan na putol na talaga muna yung connection, you just really have to let go of it and trust that kaya mo. As much as you trust God, as much as you trust the universe, or as much as you trust someone, supreme being that you believe in, na hindi ka nila pababayaan, you also have to trust yourself na kaya mo. Na hindi mo rin papabayaan sarili mo. Na oo, iiyak ako ngayon, oo, masasaktan ako ngayon, pero alam ko, time will come, maintindihan ko to, magiging okay din ako. Kasi kung gaano kalaki yung tiwala mo sa Diyos na meron ka, kailangan ganun din kalaki ang tiwala mo. Ay, hindi naman same. Kasi syempre si Lord yun. Baka mamaya, may playing God, ganun. Pero kahit pa paano, you also have to trust yourself na kaya mo. Mahirap talagang mag-let go, guys. Pero everything happens for good. Hindi lang natin siya gets ngayon, pero everything happens for good. And yan. Sometimes, the best way to love is to let go. The best way to love yourself is to let go of things that are not serving you anymore. If it's truly for you, it will come back. If not, something better will come along. So, trust yourself.
If you like listening to these kinds of conversations, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the ring button so you can get notified for new releases.